In May 2023, ISO and UNIDO launched the first cycle of the ISO Good Standardization Practices (GSP) e-learning course. The course was announced on both organizations' websites and social media, with emailers targeting ISO's developing country members. This is an extensive course covering standardization fundamentals and principles and focusing on processes and best practices for optimizing the core and support activities of an NSB's value chain. There was a high demand from ISO members to join the course, with more than 500 registration requests received from 107 countries. In the first cycle, 201 requests were accepted. Of the 201 enrolled learners, 146 proceeded beyond the pre-assessment module and were considered as active learners. The active learners were from 44 countries in 8 geographical regions. Most of these learners were National Standards Body (NSB) staff or National Technical Committee (TC) members. 50% of the learners were female and 50% were male. The first cycle lasted for more than 4 months, and 75 of the 146 active learners passed the post-assessment with a score of 80% or more and successfully completed the course. Another 38 learners reached the end of the course but did not pass the post-assessment, while 33 learners stopped midway before reaching the post-assessment module. There was a significant difference between the pre- and post-course assessment scores. This indicates an increase in the level of knowledge and skills of the learners who have completed the course. The comprehensive and rigorous nature of the course underlines the need for an intensive time and effort commitment to complete it. Learners rated each core content module or submodule on a scale of poor, 1, to excellent, 5, and the average course rating for Cycle 1 was 4.49. Feedback from the end-of-course survey and other sources also showed positive responses. Here are some snapshots from the feedback received. The second cycle was launched in mid-November with 200 registrations. We encourage the top management of the NSBs and external organisations to support their learners in completing the course, so they can contribute better and more effectively to the standardisation work in their country. Let's keep learning.